Hello everyone, how are you all? Friends, today we will learn about our fourth chakra, heart chakra, in this video. We also know the heart chakra in Hindi as the Hriday chakra or the Anahat chakra. This chakra is the chakra above the solar plexus chakra. This chakra is located uh, in the chest of our body between the two lungs, that is located in the center of our chest. The color of this chakra is green. The element of the heart chakra is air. The mantra of the heart chakra is YAM. 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 Friends, we are able to connect with the third eye chakra and crown chakra only through the heart chakra. And it is through the heart chakra that we feel and love to Mother Nature. Friends, our heart chakra is a very powerful chakra. A person whose heart chakra is active, he has the same unconditional love for everyone in his heart. Such a person feels every emotion very deeply. Friends, this chakra awakens the feeling of love without any selfishness in us. The feeling of forgiving someone awakens. The heart chakra creates the quality of patience in us. The heart chakra governs our thymus gland. If there is uh, blockage in this chakra, or there is some kind of imbalance in this chakra, then at physical level we get many diseases, such as our immunity becomes weak, diseases related to lungs, shortness of breath like asthma, blood pressure problem, heart related diseases, digestion becomes weak, food allergies start happening, diabetes, many diseases such as cough always surround the chest. Similarly, if we look at the level of emotional body, then there is uh, anxiety in the person due to blockage or any imbalance in the heart chakra. He gets emotional imbalance. A person creates a boundary around himself, and neither does he understand the feelings of another's heart, nor does he himself be able to explain the things of his heart to anyone. In such a situation, he remains in a state of uh, suffocation and restlessness. That person is not able to make good bonding with anyone. When our heart chakra remains active or balanced, then we are full of selfless love towards every human being and every tree plants. We learn to give to everyone. A sense of selfless service is awakened in us. We know to forgive others because we are full of peace in uh, in ourselves. We feel compassion for ourselves and others. Friends, only when the heart chakra is active, then we are able to understand self love. It is most important that we love ourselves, respect ourselves. In our heart, we feel feelings like compassion, selfless service, selfless love, and sympathy for everyone. On the contrary, the person who has blockage in the heart chakra or has some kind of imbalance stops feeling all these feelings. It is far from the person to make unconditional love to others. They does not even know to do self love. They do not understand their own value. So, friends, it is important for us to active and balance the heart chakra. For this, I for this as I have always told that any chakra activation or meditation that take care of a clean and quiet place and feel relaxed inside yourself. Close your eyes, focus on the heart chakra. Friends, take a deep breath. This removes the blockage of our lungs and heart. It is also beneficial for our physical health. Friends, close your eyes and focus on the heart chakra and see the green color in your mind and chant the Yam mantra. I tell you by chanting mantra. Yum. Yum. This way, you can do as much as you can for 5 minutes or more. Then slowly open your eyes and feel this energy in your mind and feel the light in your heart and get up. Friends, I want to say one thing here that every person wants to open their third eye chakra. But in my opinion, you can active and balance your sacral chakra and heart chakra. Every chakra has its own importance. but we should pay more attention to our lower chakras. The heart chakra awakens in us humanity, unconditional love, selfless service, and the sacral chakra awakens the creativity and spirituality in us. This is my belief. Friends, if you like this video of mine, then please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.